what to do if you got yourself into factory mode by accident on your phone. No big deal, don't panic. You just don't want to do the auto test because that's really annoying, and you have to go through all of it until it stops. And it does the speaker, the camera, it's really loud and very annoying. You don't want to do that. If you're trying to do a hard reset, you can just go to clear eMMC, and that will delete all the data. If otherwise, just scroll down to reboot, and just be careful because it's your volume down is to scroll. And depending on which device you're using, sometimes it's a volume up to confirm or it's the power button to confirm. So if you hit volume up and nothing's happening, then try the power button, and then boom, it's rebooting and starting. You didn't do anything crazy, you didn't break anything. That's just on this budget device. But notice people will get into factory mode by accidentally having the phone off in their pocket and pushing a couple of buttons. So I wanted to show you guys how to get out of that. If you do the auto test, like I said, you just need to go through the whole thing. It's very annoying, but once you're through it, it's done. But there you go.